The Daily Code Snippet. We already discussed font weight in the setting of @FontFace, and it is also a property used to adjust the weight of your chosen font family. It works the same as previously described. Font weight accepts the values of normal, bold, and a number between 1 and 1000. The higher the number, the bolder the weight. In general, 100 is thin, 300 is light, 400 is normal, 500 is medium, 600 is semi or demi-bold, 700 is bold, 800 is extra bold, and 900 is black. Font weights below 200 will have accessibility issues, especially with a low color contrast ratio. The most common values used are normal, bold, and the numerical weights of 400 and 700. Here are examples from our code sample files. Body, font family, Noto Sans, sans serif, H1, H2, H3, H4, font weight 700. P, I, font weight 400, font size 16 pixels, line height 1.5 em. Here is how this looks in our style sheet from our code sample file. And here is how it would display. Presented by Designers Learn Code.